Ayan guys, yung ulam namin. So, for today's video, pork patty. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys, yung ipa-fry natin yan guys. So, ayan guys, pina-fry natin. Nam nam nam. May ano yan guys, may vegetable, carrots, potatoes, onions, at saka yung garlic. Ayan. Ulam namin for today. Ay, ano. Sira na. So, and then, tapos na. So, i-ano natin guys. Kasi na, ano na, luto na to. Baka ma-overcook. Ayan, ayaw maano. Matanggal. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. God bless everyone.